Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be going out to Floyd's Pelican Bar. The bar is in the middle of the ocean. You can actually leave from several destinations. You can leave out of Negril, Jamaica, or you can leave out of Black River, Jamaica, which is in St. Elizabeth, or Treasure Beach, Jamaica, which is in St. Elizabeth. And today I'll be leaving out of Treasure Beach. So guys, it took about 20 minutes to get out to the bar. As you can see, it's in the middle of the ocean, and we actually encountered like a rainstorm, so we had to stop. And when I say it was scary, it was very scary. It was like being out in the middle of the ocean and being swept up by Noah's Ark, all the rain and everything. But anyway, we've made it to the bar. As you can see, it's beautiful here. So come on in and enjoy this place. So guys, we had a beautiful day at the bar. We were able to meet Mr. Floyd. He's such a wonderful man. We took pictures with him. We were able to order some steamed fish and bami. And our captain has gone to get our boat, and we're getting ready to leave. Here he is doing a wheelie. He's doing a trick coming on in for us. Our captain is Captain Ted. He is really a cool guy, and so if you are in Treasure Beach and you need a captain, just ask one of the locals and they'll be able to give you the number to Captain Ted.